Hi, I'm John. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a huge amount of money in one day online. This is a method that works very quickly, and I'm going to walk you through this method step by step right here on my computer and show you exactly how it works so that you can get a big amount of money. I'm talking nearly $500 sent straight to your bank account in one day. Let's get it. And I'm going to show you how to make a huge amount of money in this video. I'm going to show you step by step, but there's a big disclaimer I need to make first, is you can only do this method once. And also this method works. So just make sure you take action and do it. Also, this amount of money, it's not going to be small pennies. This is going to be, you're going to make around $500 applying this method. So it's not going to be thousands of dollars, but it's still going to be $500, something around that amount. Also, this method works in one day. This method, by the time you end today, wherever you are, you should be able to see money in your account from this method. Now, for it to get withdrawn, it will take about a week. The company will send you either a check to your address or a wire transfer to your bank account. That's how you will receive the money. They don't have PayPal at this moment, but you can receive a check or a wire transfer. Also, this is real money. This is not virtual money. This is not some sort of weird thing like that. You will be receiving real money doing this method. Now, a few things before I get started is I'm making a few assumptions here. I'm making a few assumptions that you want to make big money online, but you don't have any prior experience in running a business. You don't need any prior experience with an online business or a business to make this work. Also, I'm making an assumption that you don't have much time to learn new skills or set up websites or learn complex new systems to make money. So I'm just going to X that out. You just want some money to supplement your income today. And I'm also making an assumption that you don't want to spend any money on some weird, educational product or some weird training or system. So we're just going to X out the fact that if, you want to spend any money to start your business. So with that being said, let's get on my computer and let me show you exactly how this works step by step, what you need to do. So the first step is you go to the website called ClickBank, and you can see on my computer screen here, the website is called ClickBank, and you should be able to go in the description of this video or in the first comment. I should have a link to ClickBank. It's clickbank.com. This company has been around for over 20 years now, and what you'll do is you'll go right over here to the Create an Account button. This is the first step. You want to create an account with them, and when you create an account with them, you will be assigned what's called a ID or a ClickBank ID, or what they call a nickname. Okay, so I've worked with this company a lot. I've actually made a lot of money with them. Here's my plaque from ClickBank. They presented it to me because I've made over $1 million with them. $1 million profit working with this company. They've paid me out in my bank account. And I've done this multiple years in a row. So step number 2 is you're going to go to my affiliate page. Now, what we'll be doing is a model of marketing called affiliate marketing, meaning you earn a commission when people click on your ads and get a product. Now, this is set up to get people to buy. You will get 50% of $900, and you will get recurring commissions as well of $125 per month. Now, you might be thinking I'm crazy right here, but stick with me. Hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of other people have been applying this method right now, and they've been making money. So make sure you go through the steps and you'll be seeing the checks hopefully in no time. So check this out. First, we're not concerned. You can read all the information about promoting an affiliate product the standard way, but we're going with this software that I just built, and all you have to do is click a few buttons online to make this money happen. So what we're concerned about is this little bar right up here. And what you want to do is you want to enter in your ClickBank ID right there. See, right there, you enter in your ClickBank ID. So let's assume it's just ZZZZZ, okay? Now, the next thing you do is you click Update. And you'll just click Update right there, and it might ask you to enter in an email address or something like that. Just enter in your email address and you'll get a couple different things. What you'll see is you'll see your ClickBank ID. Make sure that's correct, because that makes sure that you get credit, you get the money for your promotion. The next thing is you'll see an affiliate link, but what we're concerned about is this section right here, okay? Right here is where you'll want to click. Promote through social media and email. Click right there. And we're going to click right there, and it'll pop up a screen that says share your link with everybody you can. Now I forget if this step asks you for an email too, but just click share your link with everyone you can, and you will want to click every one of these buttons right here. Okay, every one of these buttons you will want to click. Pinterest, Google+. I'm not sure if people use Google+ anymore, but if you do, use that as well. And what you'll do is you will click the button, and then you'll get some instructions on, if you use WhatsApp, how to send to WhatsApp, and you'll have some instructions on how to use that right there. And you just follow the instructions. Same thing for email. You just click that button and you go to import contacts right there, and you import contacts from either Gmail or Yahoo. Now, if you don't have Gmail or Yahoo, if you use another email provider, what you want to do is you actually want to copy and paste every email address you have in your contacts list into the section where it says you can add email addresses. Now, you don't need to add any message here. It says enter custom message here. You can ignore that completely. The message is already pre-set up with the software I created. All you need to do is click send invitation right there, and you will send the invitation to all of the emails that you either input or imported. Next, you'll go to Facebook and you'll click Facebook. And again, you'll go up, will pop a screen like this, and you'll click this button that says post to Facebook right there, okay? So you just click post to Facebook and you will get your link out there, okay? Next, if you have Twitter or Messenger or LinkedIn, you'll do the same thing on every one of these platforms, and you will just click tweet, and your affiliate link is already in there. That's the beauty of this. Your affiliate link, everything is already set up for you. You just have to click tweet. Same thing with LinkedIn. All you have to do is click share. Okay, and the same thing with Pinterest. You would just click that button. If you use Pinterest, I don't use Pinterest or Google+, but you would just click the button and then you'd click share or post. Now that's all there is to this method. I have students that have been earning as much as $10,000. This is what's called a rack. It's $100 bills a day with this method. It's very easy to implement, very easy to do. It's called affiliate marketing. It's one of the biggest ways that anybody can make money online, no matter what country you're from. The only countries this doesn't work in is Nigeria or Bangladesh or North Korea. Now, what's great about this method is you can do this no matter how old you are. All you need is an address for the check to be sent to, or a bank account for the wire transfer to be sent to in your name. Remember, this can be done in almost every country except for like 3 around the world, no matter what age you are. And if you are in on this, I'm going to show you how you can track your stuff first. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how you can track the money and how much money you've made in just a second here. But if this is exciting, if you are in, go in the comments and type in I'm in, okay? Type in I'm all in, because I'm showing you guys some crazy methods to earn money. And if this is awesome so far, give this video a big like, go to the subscribe button and slam that subscribe button. Make sure to enter in the notification bell so you get notified when I'm doing a live Q&A or training session, and check it out, because I'm going over money making methods every single day on this channel, showing you how you can get a piece of that internet money right here. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and comment I'm all in the comments below if you're excited about applying this method and if you're going to take action and actually do this. Because again, you can't make any money. If you sit on the sidelines and you're just skeptical, you're wondering if it works, if it doesn't work, you have 100% chance. You are guaranteed to make nothing. But if you do something, you at least have a chance now of making that big money. And hundreds and perhaps even thousands of people already have made those huge commissions. So make sure you post those links everywhere you can. Just click all the buttons. It takes 5 minutes. It's that simple. Now, to track if you've made money using this method, you'll want to log into your ClickBank account, okay? So once again, you'll log into ClickBank, and what you'll see if you've made money is you will look at what's called your daily sales snapshot. And you will see right here, you should see a couple bars just like this right here that shows you how much money you've been making, okay? Or how much money you've made, or if you've made any money yet. And if you want to get a little more advanced and more technical, you can go over to this tab which says reporting right here, and you can click that and it'll actually show you more detailed information about how many hops you got. Now, hops are another term for clicks. It means how many people clicked on your link. Now, over here, you'll see the number of hops you got and also the number of sales you got and the amount of money that you made from the clicks you sent. So this is another little more technical thing. You don't need to worry about any of this though. So really, all you need to look at is make sure that you've been making money with these bars right here. Now, here's an example of somebody who sent me a message just the other day this is what your account will look like or should look like or could look like. Again, nothing is guaranteed, but this is somebody who made money just the other day, $460.61 using this method. It's so easy. Now, jet setters, if you are excited, if this is a really cool way to make money, this is quick way. One day you should be seeing the commissions. It's big money, hundreds of dollars, and it'll be sent within a week by the company, ClickBank, to your bank account or to your address. Now, if you're excited, make sure you hit that subscribe button, enable notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're gonna put this into action, type in "I'm in" the comments, because I'm excited to see you take action and make some real money. Now, I'm gonna run through the method one more time, okay? Just to show you real quick, step by step, what you do to put this into action. It takes 2 minutes. Let's go through this one more time, and then I'm gonna end this video. But this is exciting, and I look forward to seeing you make some real money. So once again, you wanna go to clickbank.com. You wanna go over here to create an account. Create an account with this company. They are the ones who will be paying you. They've been around for a while. After you create an account, you'll enter in your ClickBank ID right here. I'm just going to use ZZZZZ for an example. You click update, and then you click promote through social media and email. You click that button, and then you enter in the information for every one of these buttons that you can. If you are not signed up with something like Twitter or Pinterest, you can ignore it. If you are signed up with it, you go for it, and you enter in all the information, and you click on all the buttons, and you just post or share the link, and then you wait a couple hours, and then you go into your ClickBank account, and hopefully you will see within a couple hours. It generally takes anywhere from 12 to 24 hours for you to see the results. Again, nothing is guaranteed, and this is something you can only do once. So once again, no results are guaranteed, but many people, hundreds of people, have seen the commissions. So go in there 12 to 24 hours later and check to see if you've made money. Woo! Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in checking out more ways to make money on the internet, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm sharing all the good stuff with you every single day, a new way to make money online. So let's get your earning power on the internet. There's a ton of money on here. Everybody's buying on the internet, and this is a great place. Create a side income or even create a full-time hustle like I have. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Subscribe and get in on the action. Make sure you post those links. See you soon.